Alright guys, back with part 2 of the X-Tronic 3010 XTS soldering station. So per break-in instructions, first thing you want to do is put the setting on medium for 15 minutes. Alright, so the next setting, you want to run it at full blast for 10 minutes. Alright, have this unit fully broken in now. Solder. Changed all these from the Tamiya to the EC3. All came out real well. This particular pack had attractions in. I had attractions which I typically would use, but I'm trying to use all the same ends. Change the ends on the ESC. I'm sorry. Also. Right now, I would have to say this station, and I had to get used to the temperature setting. Once I got that kind of down, all in all, I had to give this a pass. 2 thumbs up. For the price, I don't think you can beat it. I'll put the description in the link also, again, but for what I'm going to use it for, it's perfect. Alright guys, thanks for watching.